Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can check the internet speed on your PS5. So let's begin the video. First of all, if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe to this channel and enable bell notifications so that you get notified for the latest upcoming videos. So in order to check the internet speed on the PS5, it's really simple. All you need to do is to go on the top right where you have this settings icon. Click on X on your controller to open settings. It's going to show you network, open network, and here it's going to show you connection status. Currently I am connected via Wi-Fi and my Wi-Fi name is PTCL-BB and I am signed into my PlayStation network. If you want to connect to a different Wi-Fi network, you can go to settings and click on setup internet connection. But since I want to check the internet speed of this Wi-Fi on the PS5, I'm just going to click on test internet connection. Here it says test internet connection test will start. If you are playing an online game, you might lose connection with the game server. So if you have any online game in the background, you may lose the server connection. So make sure to save your progress first, and after that click on start test. So if you are checking your Wi-Fi speed or lane speed, if it is connected to your PS5, the process is same for both. And if I scroll down, it's going to first check your download speed and then check your upload speed. Here you can see the results. So my internet connection download speed is 36.6 megabytes per second, while the upload speed is only 1.2 megabytes per second. So this information may be useful to you if you are thinking of downloading a game or uploading any content, or maybe thinking of doing a live stream. So for streaming online, you need to have good connection speed for the upload. In my case, it's only 1.2 megabytes per second. So it means that I should not do live streaming as of now, because my upload speed is very poor and the download speed is pretty good. I have a 50 megabits per second connection setup, but for now only 36 MB is available because internet is slow due to some reasons. And also, if your PlayStation 5 is connected via Wi-Fi, maybe the router is pretty far, that's why you're having slow connection speed. So try moving the router near the PS5 or connecting the PS5 via the LAN port. Anyways guys, in this way you can check the internet speed on your PS5. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment sections below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.